After the fusion bomb strike on Hashima Island, it seemed like that only artificial life had survived on planet Earth. However, heavy drinkers of horse pee survived the fusion bomb strike. They came together and said, "We want to make Japan great again. Let's unite our forces and raise this planet to a new level." By accident they found out that the former Pokemon machines could be used for reproduction of the human race. So they took the balls like crazy and they were able to build up Japan again and to make it rise to even greater powers than before. However, the Japanese did not learn from the past. They invited the UFOs again. Moreover, they used the holy cat of the aliens for their cosmetics, which is a no-go. The Japanese tried even to advance the aliens in technology, so the aliens finally had to do something. This time the aliens choose a bomb that killed all Japanese, but left all other life and nature untouched. I had to sneak through a jungle and climb the roller coaster to get on a high position. From here I had a good overview what was happening 10 years after the bomb fell. It seemed like nature conquered back its space that it had before the humans came. The following pictures speak for themselves, so just lean back and enjoy.